So welcome to session 3 of control system subject with subject code 18EC53. So in the previous sessions we have seen what is a state model and what is a state variable and state vector, state space. Okay, in the previous session we have seen how to generate the state model for the electrical circuits. So in this session we will see how to develop the state model for the phase variables and also for the transfer function. Okay, so let us consider an examples. So here the example 1. So find the state model for the below equation what we have written here, that is d cube y of t divided by t cube plus 4 dy square y of t dt square plus 7 into dyt by dt plus 2yt is equal to phi of ut. So now the same problem, so what the equation is given in similar manner, the one more form we can write as y3 y triple dot of t, that is third derivative, 4 into 2 dots y of t and 7 into y dot of t and 2 into y of t is equal to phi ut. Okay, so now to solve the to develop the state model, the first let us consider the y of t as a x1 of t. So y of t as x1 of t. Okay, so y of t is x1 of t, and if it is like this, then the first derivative of the y of t, that is dyt by dt, will be represented as x1 dot of t, and that is equal to, we will consider it as x2, means second state variable, that is x2 of t is equal to, only the second state variable will be there, others will be 0, that is x1 0, x3 and input also 0. Similarly, if you consider the second derivative of yt, so x2 dot of t is equal to x3 of t is equal to, only it will be third derivative will be state variable 1, others will be 0. And similarly the third variable, that is d3, that is third derivative d cube y of t dt cube, so that will be expressed as x3 dot of t, so that will be nothing but, so that is phi ut minus these three terms, second derivative, first derivative and constant. Okay, so these three terms, so that will be represented as y phi u of t minus 4 double means second derivative y of t minus 7 first derivative and 2 of yt. The same equation we can also give as same derivative x3 of d t, we can give as the 3 is 3 minus term and plus u of t. Okay, so like x1 x2 x3 in that form. So now if you the same whatever the three equations we got, if you write in the matrix form, so it will be like x1 dot x2 dot x3 dot is equal to whatever the coefficients we have, the first equation 0 1 0, second equation 0 0 1, and third equation minus 2 minus 7 minus 4. Okay, that is x1 x2 x3, and this is x of t. And if you come to the input function, the first two equations have no 0 into u of t, so 0 0, the last one is phi here. So this will be the state model for the state equation. Okay, the second one for output equation, so already we have taken that y of t is equal to x1 of t. Okay, so y of t is equal to x1 of t, so only the first state variable will be there, so because of that 1 triple 0, x2 is 0, x3 is 0, so 1 0 0, and this is state variable and no output equation, so that will be coefficient as 0. Okay, so this will be act as A matrix, this will be B, and this will be C, and this will be D matrix. Okay, so the whatever the state model we have seen, the same thing if you see in the as a state diagram. Okay, so that is first derivative, second derivative and third derivative. Okay, so the first means here it is x3 x2 and x1. Okay, so now the x3 is the minus 4 and x2 is minus 7 and x1 is minus 2, so this will be connected back to the feedback as a feedback system, and the input is phi here. Okay, as we know input is phi, so output is means here for the output equation, so it is only 1 is there, so directly we can connect here. Okay, so this is a state diagram for the particular phase variable equation. So let us consider the next problem. So in this problem, so it is in the form of transfer function. So that is T of s is equal to C of s divided by R of s. So C of s is 1 and R of s is s cube plus 6x square plus 10s plus 5. That is the third variable, that is third derivative equation. The third derivative equation can be given as, like in the previous example, y of t. So here we have taken a c of t, that is c of t 3 dots 6 double derivative and 10 into first derivative and 5 into, that is c of t is equal to r of t. Okay, like in the previous, same. First let us consider c of t is equal to x1 of t. Okay, so in that x1 will be 1, all others will be 0. Okay, c of t is equal to, then the c dot of t, that is first derivative, is equal to, okay, x2 of t, x2 will be 1, all others will be 0. Similarly the second derivative and x2 dot of t, and that is equal to x3 of t, and in that case x3 will be 1, all others will be 0 here. Okay, similarly x3 dot of t is equal to, that is r of t minus these three terms, second derivative, first derivative and the constant. Okay, so in the same manner, instead of c of t, if you replace with x of 3, then it will be, that is, okay, if you represent in x1 x2 x3, that is minus 5 minus 10 and minus 6 as coefficients and 0 into u of t. Okay, sorry, not 0, it is 1 into u of t. Okay, so in that case, same, the whatever the three equations what we have written, okay, in the matrix form. So that is x1 dot, x2 dot, x3 dot, and this is A matrix, that is 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and the third one minus 5 minus 10 and minus 6, and with respect to u of t, that is the last one is 1, nothing is there, means 1 into u of t, that is 0 0 1. Okay, so actually here we need to write that is x1 x2 x3. Okay, that is missing here, that we need to write a matrix here, that is A into x of t, that is x1 x2 x3, then this will be the B and this is A. Similarly the output equation will be the same, that is y of t is equal to, we have taken as x1 of t, so 1 double 0 and there is no d coefficient, so that will be 0, so no input function here, so this will be C and this will be d vector. So this is a state model for the phase variable, or sorry, the transfer function. So what we have considered as a second example. The state diagram for this is similarly earlier one. So this is third variable coefficient minus 6 minus 10 and minus 5, and this will be input is 1. Okay, so this is input is 1 here, so the same is all three coefficients will be fed back to the input. Okay, so this is a state diagram for the state diagram for the particular the example. So this is state diagram, not the state model here. The next, let us consider one more example. So find a state model for the transfer, again this also transfer function, but here we have, in the previous one we don't had the C of s. Okay, but here we have the C of s term and also R of s. Okay, so this one we need to look into two parts here. So C of s is one term and R of s is a one term. So let us consider the first one, that is y of by R of s, that is 1 by, okay, so 1 by whatever R of s term is there, is s3 plus 9s square and 26s plus 24. Okay, if the same example, if you write in a phase variable, it will be y3 dot of t, that is third derivative, 9 into second derivative, 26 into first derivative and 24 into that is constant into y of t is equal to R of t. Okay, in a similar manner we need to write the equations. Let us consider again y of t is equal to x1 of t, that is nothing but 1, all others are 0. Similarly the first derivative y dot of t is equal to x1 dot of t, x2 dot of t is equal to x1, x2 term will be 1, all others will be 0, and second derivative considered as x3 of t, and here x3 term will be 1, all others will be 0, and the third derivative x3 dot of t is equal to, that is r of t minus all the three terms, second derivative, first derivative and the constant. Okay, so by considering the three equations, okay, this is be marked as 1 2 3 equations, and now after finishing the first part we'll consider the second part, that is c of s, okay, that is s square plus 7s plus 2. Okay, the same thing we can consider as double derivative 7 into y dot of t and 2 into y of t. Okay, so now that is the c of t. Okay, so now the same equation in terms of x1 of t, that is 2 into x1 of t, okay, and 7 into x2 of t, and 2 into that is, sorry, here this one is x3 of t, okay, and we have considered y of t is equal to x1 of t, so this is 2 into x1 of t, and here first derivative, that is nothing but x2, 7 into x2 of t, and the second derivative there is no coefficient, so that is only x3 of t and no input function. Okay, 0 into u of t. So this will be considered as equation number 4. So now by using equations 1 2 3 and 4, so the three equations from the first part and the one equation from the second part, okay, c of t. So now after considering the four equations, so here we can write them in matrix form. The first equation 0 1 0, the second equation 0 0 1, okay, and the third equation, that is minus 24, minus 26 and 9, okay, and input function is 0 0 1. So if you see the three equations, okay, so 0 0 0, so if you consider, okay, if you consider equation 1 0 0 and u of t is 1 here, 0 0 1, and if you consider the a coefficients, that is 0 1 0, 0 0 1, and this is minus 24, minus 26 and minus 9, okay, and if you consider equation 4, that is 2 7 and 1, input is 0. Okay, the same thing here, the c of t, okay, this is the first three equations we are giving as three state variables, we are giving the equation state model for that, and c of t, the above term we can give as the coefficient as 2 7 1 and the input is 0. Okay, so for this is a state model for the transfer function, so what we have considered, okay, and the state diagram for this is, so whatever the state equation, so that will be given like x3 x2 and x1, okay, that is minus 9, minus 26, minus 24, which will be given to the input with input as 1, okay. The same c of t, okay, the c of t we can give as, that is 9 7 and 2, sorry, not 9 here, so here 2 7, it should be 1. Let us see the equations here, it is 2 7 1, okay, there is a mistake here, the 2, this is 2 and this is 7 and this will be 1 here, okay, 2 7 1, so this 2 7 will be connected to the c of t, okay. So now, so this is the state diagram for the problem what we have considered with respect to the transfer function, okay. So now here okay, there is one more example, okay, let us, so that is this in the similar manner, so what you have seen in the previous diagram, okay, in the similar manner there is one more, the transfer function what you have considered is here, So s3 s square plus 3s plus 3, and the third derivative s3 plus 2s square plus 3s plus 1. Again we need to consider into two parts. The first term is 1 by, that is s3 plus 2s square plus 3s plus 1, this term, and we are writing the same thing with the phase variables. Okay, and the next, after getting the phase variable, the first part we can write the three equations. Like, let us again consider it as c of t is equal to x1 of t, and the first derivative x1 dot of t, x2 of t is equal to 0. The x2 term will be 1, all others will be 0. And second derivative considered as x3 of t, and only x3 term will be there, all others will be 0. And the third derivative, that is x3 dot of t, is equal to, that is u of t minus the three second derivative, first derivative, and the constant. Okay, so this will be again considered as equation 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so now if you consider the second part, s square plus 3s plus 3, so that is written in phase variable as c double dot of t, no coefficients here, let us consider this as 1, and 3 into first derivative and 3 into constant here. Okay, the same which will be given as, so y of t is equal to, and x3 is this term, 3 into x of t, x2 of t, and 3 into x1 of t plus 0 into u of t, so which will be considered as equation number 4. Okay, so now like similar, let us consider by looking at equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. By using the first three equations, we can write the state model for state variables like 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and the third equation we have the coefficients minus 1, minus 3 and minus 2, and this is x of t, and 0, 0, 1 is a input vector. Okay, similarly the second part, that is y of t is equal to the 3, 3, 1. Okay, so what we have seen here in equation 4, that is x1 is 3, x2 is 3, x3 is 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so 3, 3, 1 into x of t, so 0 into u of t, so this is y of t. So the state diagram for the above this problem we can give as 2, 3 and 1. So this is 2, 3, 1 we have given as a feedback, and 3, 3, 1. Okay, 3, 3 and 1, which will be given to the output here, so that is y of t. Okay, so output coefficients, this one we are given as 3, 3, 1, and this is 2, 3, 1 as a the coefficients which is given as feedback. Okay, so this is considered as a state diagram for the given particular problem. So here in this session, so we have seen how to develop the state model by using the phase variables and also the transfer function, which will be considered divided into two parts. Okay, and again after that it will be converted into phase variables, then derive in state variables, then put it into a matrix form. Okay, so this is how we need to develop the state model or state diagram for the phase variables and the transfer function.